Hi boys and girls. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this Scrabble Time worksheet that you see here. So if you have it printed out, awesome. If you don't have it printed out, that's okay. You'll still be able to do it on a separate sheet of paper and then upload it as long as you can see the letters here, and it's like a code. Okay, so if you've never played Scrabble, Scrabble is a game where you have different letter tiles and you try to build words using those letter tiles, and each letter is worth a different amount of points. So then depending on what letters you have, you add up the points for each letter and you try to get the most amount of points, okay? So we're going to use our spelling words this week to add up how many letters or numbers rather, each of our letters are worth to come up with a total. So on the worksheet, first at the top, you can see all of the letters are here in the alphabet from A to Z, and they all have different number amounts or numeric values. And then here there are two charts. So there's actually, you're going to choose 10 of your words from this week. And in one column, it says word. And that is the column where you will be writing the words that you choose from the spelling list this week. And then in the other column, it says total, and that's where you will be writing the total amount that your words added up to, or your letters rather added up to. So this will make more sense if I do a couple with you. Sometimes we learn best by seeing it happen. So I'm going to start, I'll choose the word pie because pie is delicious. So P-I-E is the first word that I'm going to put. So you can write pie right there. And then once you have your word down, you're going to look up here at your letters and find each of the letters. So here's the letter P, and I see that P has a 3. That is the value for P. So underneath the P, I'll put a 3. Okay? Then I will find my I, and here's my letter I, and I can see that I has a value of 1. So it's going to be 3 plus 1. And the last letter is an E, so I find my letter E, which is here, and I see that the E is also worth 1, so I put plus 1. So if I were adding up the value of P, I, and E, I have 3 plus 1 plus 1. So I can say 3, 4, 5. So my total for the word pie is 5. So you see we are writing the words and we're also practicing adding. So it's kind of like we're mixing language arts and math today. All right, so let's try another word. Let's do a doozy. Let's do myself, okay? That's a long word. M-Y-S-E-L-F, myself. So you can go ahead and write myself in your second box, and then we'll go through, and we have M is worth 3, so we put 3. Ooh, Y is worth, whoops, didn't mean to highlight all of them. Y is worth 4. Good golly. Okay, so 3 plus 4. Now we need to find S. S is worth 1. I'm noticing that the more common letters are worth less. That's how it is in the Scrabble game too. So I have 3 plus 4 plus 1. Our E was 1, so there's E is 1, so plus 1. L is 1. So we can do another plus 1. And our last letter is F, which is 4. So now, and if you need to do this on a separate sheet of paper, by all means do, we have 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. M-Y-S-E-L-F. So I'm going to start by adding up my ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So those are 4. So now I have 4 plus 4, which I know is a double, so that's 8. And then I have 3 more, so 8, 9, 10, 11. So myself, boys and girls, is worth 11. And just to show you how I did that addition, I had 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So the first thing I did was I added all of these ones together, which gave me 4. Then I added both of the 4s together, which gave me 8. And then I added the 8 and the 3 together, which gave me 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's how I came up with 11 for myself. Okay, let's do one more together. This time, let's do the word try. So T-R-Y, try. And if I look over here, T is worth 1. R is worth 1. And Y is worth 4. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 4. Well, 1 plus 1 would be 2, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So the word try is worth 6 points. All right, so we've done 3 words together. You have 7 more to do on your own. So you can choose 7 more of your spelling words. And first write the word down and then write down their number values and add up your total. And then if you want to color the Scrabble tiles or even the bubble letters at the top, you are welcome to do that. And when you are finished with this, please upload it for me so that I can see all of the totals you got for your spelling words this week. I hope you have fun doing this, boys and girls. Bye!